In the vast majority of tenancies, the responsibility for external repairs falls upon the landlord. So the landlord is responsible for windows, doors, walls, roofs, etc. And there's also legal responsibilities on the landlord in relation to gas pipes, electricity, water, etc. For internal repair, such as inside walls, floors, furniture, etc., in most agreements that will be the responsibility of the tenant. But in cases where there's appliances or white goods in the property or it's otherwise furnished, the tenancy agreement will tend to say that the tenant is responsible for keeping those items in good condition. If there's fair wear and tear and it happens to break, then the landlord should replace it or repair it. However, if it's broken due to tenant abuse or neglect, then the tenant would be liable for those repairs.